Okay, I'm standing here on the edge of the Charles Darwin University campus with Dr. Ring-Kang Ping, and he's going to tell us about an ant that he's been studying for a number of years that locally we call a green ant. But Dr. Ping, there's actually another name for these ants as well, isn't there?
That's right. Lots of people also call them wave ants because these ants using silk to weave the leaves together to make a lace.
Yep. Can you show us one of these nests?
So if you look at this one, you see the between leaves they got a silk to seal that, so that's weave the lace. We're called wave ants.
That's a nest, but a colony might have many nests. Is that right?
That is correct. Yeah. For example, like this colony, it occupies several numbers of trees, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these patch trees being fully occupied by wave ants.
And so these ants we see here, they're workers, right?
That's right. They are workers. You can see. So, if you dissect the nest, at this time of year you can see the eggs, larvae, pupae, and plus some minor workers.
Yep.
Yeah.
But somewhere in this colony there's a nest that has queens, is that right?
That's right. Only one nest has queen or queens, because here in Northern Territory is a special location. We found each colony, on average, a colony has multiple queens.
Oh, that poses some very interesting evolutionary questions. We'll talk about those later. How does a new colony form?
Yeah, the new colony form that normally is start from the later dry season. That's the timing the colony started to have sexual eggs developed. Then from the eggs become pupae, larvae, pupae, and adults. The adults, you will find two forms. One is adult queens, another is adult males.
Yeah. By adult, you mean winged? Is that right?
That's both are winged. Yeah. So then at any wet season, when the weather is suitable, the colony discharge the winged female and male out. Then after that, the mating in the air or somewhere at the top of the tree canopy. So after that, female fly out to find a suitable place on the tree canopy to establish the new colony.
Okay.
But male just die back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once a colony is established, how long can a colony live?
The colony established normally it takes about 18 months from just female, then to start to have sexual forms appeared. So that takes about 18 months. Then on average for colony survival, it's around 7 years time. So that's, I would say, is longevity of average colony.
Right. So as long as the queens, one or more queens are alive, then the colony is alive, and that might be 6 or 7 years.
That is correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.